morning, and I'm sharing the room. Well, my wife and I, of course, will be sharing the room with some washing. It's a professional footballer. We're helping him out while he settles into a new club. I bet he didn't get this treatment at Tottenham Hotspur. Off the mark with a small perch. I will need the disgorger or forceps on that one. That's what you have to watch when fishing with worm, especially for perch. All sorted, no problem. I've just seen a dipper. Absolutely fantastic, especially on this pool. You would not expect to even be anywhere near dippers, never mind see one for yourself. It's an indication that within reason, as far as birds are concerned, anything can turn up at any time in any place. I always carry my binoculars with me. They're my fishing ones. They're not my expensive binoculars that I use when I'm out birding proper, but I've got some great views of it, and I did capture it on my iPhone, very blurred and at a distance, but I'm going to show that right now. You can just make out the colours of the bird as it's on some far bank branches overhanging the water. Absolutely thrilled with that. If I didn't get, oh no, I'm getting a bite now. I was just going to say, if I didn't get another fish in this session, I'll go home very happy indeed. But why not be greedy and not only see a dipper, but also catch a nice perch as well. The float is dipping, it's bobbing, and it's ready to disappear. And I'm striking into what actually I think could be something other than a perch. In fact, it is. Do you know what? I think... No, it's not. It's a perch. Very nice indeed. I was going to say, I think it could be a pike. I saw a flash of the coloration in the water. Let's net this one. No hook pull on this occasion. Yes. A dipper and a nice perch, all within the space of a few minutes. Not bad, eh?